Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TikTok Pixel from WooCommerce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall TikTok Pixel from your WooCommerce site, begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Plugins. In the Plugins menu, locate the TikTok Pixel plugin in the list. Once you find it, click the Deactivate link under the TikTok Pixel plugin. Deactivating the plugin will stop it from functioning on your site but will not remove any data. After deactivation, you can now proceed to uninstall the plugin. To completely remove the plugin, click on the delete link that appears after deactivating. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete the plugin. Confirm the deletion by clicking the Yes or OK button. Next, navigate to the Appearance menu on the left sidebar. From there, click on Theme Editor to access your theme files. In the theme files, look for the functions.php file in the list on the right side. Click on functions.php to edit it. Once the file is open, scroll to the bottom to check for any code snippets related to TikTok Pixel. If you find any, carefully delete those lines of code. After removing the code, ensure you click the Update File button to save your changes. Next, navigate to your WooCommerce settings. Click on WooCommerce in the left sidebar, and then select Settings. Under the Integrations tab, look for any settings related to TikTok Pixel. If found, make sure to remove or disable those settings. To ensure everything is clear, check your website source code. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source. Use the search function to find TikTok or Pixel to confirm there are no lingering scripts. If you see no references, the uninstallation was successful. Finally, clear your website cache if you are using a caching plugin. This step ensures that all changes reflect on your site promptly. You have successfully uninstalled TikTok Pixel from your WooCommerce site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.